Before AD, before BC, there was dirty cookware. Cavemen tried everything until exhaustion overtook them, leaving dishes in the sink. A few days later, everything changed. When they pulled out their dishes, the baked-on food fell off, leaving only sparkly stoneware. And thus, deep soaking was born, and never improved. Now we soak greasy cookware in water with a highly corrosive degreaser that damages the cookware and the employees. To make things worse, we flush it all down the drain. What if you could reuse that water? What if you could stop wasting expensive soap? What if all these questions were rhetorical? They are, and you can, with Soak Systems. Start with a tough soak tank. Throw in Soak Systems' environmentally friendly and non-abrasive degreaser, which is refilled monthly at a budget-friendly price. And it stays fresh for a month. Goodbye being wasteful, hello savings, and employee safety. Just use it each day and night. Soak Systems, bringing cleaning cookware into the 21st century.